This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef bone broth for dogs step by step. Roast bones first to boost flavor, then simmer gently with water and a few safe vegetables. Skim foam and cook low and slow for 12 to 24 hours to extract collagen and minerals. Cool completely, remove fat, and strain well before serving small portions to your dog. Store refrigerated or freeze in portion sizes for convenience and safety. Gather beef marrow and knuckle bones, carrots, celery, and a splash of apple cider vinegar to improve mineral extraction. Rinse bones and roast if you want deeper flavor and color. Place bones in a large pot or slow cooker, add cold water to cover by about 2 inches, and bring to a low simmer. Maintain a gentle simmer, skimming foam occasionally, until the broth is rich and gelatinous when cooled. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing pet cooking tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. Find the link in the description and other deals to check out. Supporting the channel helps bring more helpful videos and product pics. Thanks for watching and checking those links. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a gentle simmer to avoid cloudy broth and keep the lid slightly ajar to control steam. After the first hour, use a spoon to remove any foam or impurities that rise. Continue simmering for 12 to 24 hours depending on desired richness, then cool until gelatin firms. Refrigerate, remove hardened fat from the top, and strain through a fine sieve. Serve small amounts to your dog, mixing with regular food if desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.